In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an account inactive and active again in QuickBooks Online. This is really useful when you want to clean up your chart of accounts without permanently deleting anything. Maybe you stopped using a particular bank account, or you no longer need a certain income or expense account, but you still want to keep the historical data. Making an account inactive lets you hide it from your day-to-day lists while keeping your past transactions intact, and if you ever need it again, you can easily bring it back. Let's start with how to make an account inactive. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online company and look at the main left-hand menu. From there, click on Accounting. This will open up the section where you manage all of your financial accounts. Next, choose Chart of Accounts. This is the full list of all the accounts you use to categorize your transactions. Once the Chart of Accounts page loads, take a moment to find the account you want to make inactive. You can scroll through the list or use the search and filter options at the top to narrow it down. When you've located the account, look over to the Action column on the right-hand side. In many cases, you'll see an option that says Make Inactive. Go ahead and click that. On some layouts, you may need to first open a menu or right-click the account to see the option that says Make Account Inactive. QuickBooks may show a confirmation message to let you know that the account will be removed from active use, but that past transactions will remain in your reports. Confirm that you want to proceed. After that, the account disappears from your active list, keeping your chart of accounts cleaner and easier to navigate. Now let's look at how to make that same account active again if you ever need it back. Stay in the chart of accounts or navigate back there from the accounting menu if you've left the page. At the top right of the account list, just above the Action column, you'll see a small gear icon. Click that gear icon to open additional display options. In that menu, select Include Inactive. As soon as you do this, the list will refresh and show both active and inactive accounts, usually with inactive ones marked clearly. Now scroll or search for the account you previously made inactive. When you've found it, look again at the Action column. Instead of Make Inactive, you should now see a Make Active link. Click Make Active, and the account will return to your regular active chart of accounts, ready to be used again in transactions and categorizations. That's all there is to it. Toggling accounts inactive or active whenever you need to keep your books organized without losing important history.